So what did we gain in this implementation several years ago? 23% increase in engine production in 1 year. We hit 586 engines, our highest engine production that I've ever seen. Been in that shop almost 19 years. 50-plus engine per month consistently. You saw prior to implementation, we were anywhere from 38 to 40. 25% increase in piece part repair. That's that drum buffer rope process. That's throughput through that process. Turn time, 30% average reduction in turn time. Okay? Significant asset availability increase for the airline. Okay? 70% reduction in turn time of those piece parts going through that drum buffer rope system. Okay? And then we measure how well we do getting those parts back, and we look at 97%. We've gotten slightly better over time. We had a real busy summer this month. We've slipped a little bit, but again, continuing to evolve there. Piece part whip, taking all that noise out of the system and reducing whip. You can see we took a lot of stuff out, down to 8,000 piece parts. Today, I think we're sitting around 7,000. In some cases, we've been down to 5,500, low 6,000s. You don't lose the production. You gain by reducing that whip in the system. I mentioned revenue. I mentioned our opportunity to make money for Delta Airlines by doing work for other customers. You can see over $500 million in revenue for the entire business. Engines increase their profitability and absolutely increase their revenue contribution for the airline.